Wonders that put people in awe, mesmerized by the beauty of the surroundings and amazed at the unique feature of places people have been. Areas that bring a unique experience that would attract many tourists all over the country and even the world. Tourists seek with curiosity in their mind about the sites that they wanted to visit, as many people today are learning about the history and culture that a province gives. Benguet has many backgrounds. Early in the 19th century, the Spaniards explored the Philippines and organized the mountain regions into 6 comandancias politico-militar. At present, Benguet is composed of 13 municipalities: Atok, Bacon, Bocod, Bugyas, Itogon, Kapangan, Kibungan, La Trinidad, Mangkayan, Sablan, Tuba, and Tublay. All of the municipalities have many attractions, natural and man-made, like the Mount Kalugong in Tawang, Dinangkang River in Shilan, Pedak Burial Cave in Alapang, and the Ibaloy Hat in Itogon. The province of Benguet is indeed blessed with natural resources, deeming it worthy of the title Salad Bowl of the Philippines. Its topography also makes mining a booming industry. And with Baguio City leading tourism in this region, Benguet is really abuzz with progress. To get to Benguet from Manila, you can drive through what local calls the Zigzag Road or the Cannon Road, a path that winds for several kilometers. Cannon Road was ordered built by American Governor General William Cameron Forbes in 1901. Although originally called Benguet Road, it was named after the U.S. Army Colonel Lyman Cannon, who was with its final builder. With the labor of Igorots and some foreign workers, the road was completed in 1903 and has become a major route to Baguio City and Benguet. Be amazed in the Natumbukan Half Tunnel, an existing man-made attraction and municipality of Atok, popularly known as the Half Tunnel. It was built in early 1950s after the road eroded. Having no other alternative route, the rock was curved a half tunnel, shape measuring 50 meters long. Up to this time, it remained as an engineering feature. To satisfy one's spirit, I would recommend you going to Mount Pulag. It is an existing natural attraction in Cabayan, towering at 9,640 feet. This is the second highest mountain in the Philippines. This lofty and mystic mountain is locally referred to as the playground of the gods, hence held scared by the local folks. Aside from its height and cold weather, several pristine lakes, the mossy forest and pine forest, and the bold grasslands at the top are added feature of this mountain. It is also the host of various floras and fauna endemic to the area. It provides great option of activities to adventure enthusiasts such as trekking, camping, mountain climbing. The regular trek sponsored by the LGU is a culture appreciation treats for energetic travelers. Let's not stop there. Let me tell you some of the man-made attractions that are found in La Trinidad, Benguet. The Rose Garden and the Strawberry Fields. The Rose Garden is a man-made attraction of municipality of La Trinidad. Tourists can savor the different scents and the colors from the varieties of roses. Wonderful, isn't it? Let's go to the Strawberry Fields. The Strawberry Fields is another man-made attraction of the municipality. The town earned for its place in Guinness World Book of Records by producing the largest strawberry shortcake, which weighs 9.6 tons and feeds more or less 500,000 guests and residents. Benguet is known for the tribes and rituals like mummification of their respected leader. One of the interesting sport spots in Apo Ano Cave in Atobleng, Bugyas. The famed 20th century mighty hunter of Benguet orally foretold as a demigod in Benguet tales, whose remains has been mummified peacefully laid to rest in his original burial site. Benguet province is still full of wonders and mysteries waiting to be explored. The excitement and thrill that is found on discovering something new, it is what makes us an adventurer. This is a place you can enjoy yourself after from a busy life. Things can be different nowadays. But try to enjoy and appreciate what Benguet can give you and at least stay on a province of a great adventure.